Welcome again, everyone. My spiritual warriors, thank you for joining, tuning in. We came down from the mountain today, again, to be here in the beautiful nature. It's high tide, there's some fish here, and this is where I was a few videos ago, but it looks so different when the tide's in. Anyways, I wanted to talk to you today about be careful of word. The word is but. But what if this? But what if that? You see, we're here, and for the most part, we're in the silence. Now, I was meditating the other night, and in the meditation, in what would only be described as, I guess the theta wave state, which is 3 levels of consciousness under waking conscious, for those of you that don't know. I had a very light feeling, and a very blissful feeling, and a feeling of light, but it was like lightness and also literal light. So it was very relaxing, and it was very quiet. It was so silent, and I was just fully present in that moment. So the mental gymnastics of the mind are very, how should I say this? They can be detrimental to such a degree, and you'll work very hard to overcome a thought or a emotion, and you'll be successful for a time. And then your mind, and who is the experiencer of all these things, right? Who is I? Who is the one? Who is? Obviously, you're not your thoughts, and you're not your brain, but it's spirit, it's soul, who experiences these things. But as you calm down from any given situation, and you finally get to a place of, relative peace, your mind will most likely say, but what if this? Or something else will come into play. And then that's where you have all these contemporary teachers that try to sell you your own watch and how to meditate, and you actually have to pay someone to learn how to meditate. That's funny. But come back to the present, and you're in it. And as some of the noises right now, there's the ruffling of the water, or the water hitting the rocks. There's the wind. There's some people playing over there. There's a bird chirping over there. But it's contained by the ever-present, ever unchanging stillness, power, creativity, ingenuity, genius. All time, all space are not contained and yet contained within this space. There's motor cars running along the street over here, And you say, well, that disrupts the silence, but it doesn't really, because these things all take place inside of in other words, the field of present and calm and silence are still going on. So if we could move time, fast forward to 1 o'clock in the morning, and there were no sounds, that silence has been running in the background the entire time. And it's this ever subtle presence that is what we are contained in. So if you're able to get there through prayer or meditation, try not to let the word but creep in and throw you off track, because you're on the right track. And again, you don't need to pay thousands of dollars and see people in, flashy attires to teach you how to meditate. As a philosopher once said, it would be like picking your pocket and selling back your own watch. I forget the name of the philosopher. I think he was a 50s guy or 40s person, but he said that. He was English. I don't know why I can't remember the name. Yeah, I don't remember. Anyway, but that's what it would be like, because at the beginning, it happened, and it wasn't so commercialized and so made ready for export. Clearly out of the silence at this moment. I don't know if you could hear that. Anyways, stay well, and God bless you.